In today's Crypto Link Up, we highlight Ripple trying to buy Circle and getting rejected, Coinbase giving Bitcoin holders more ways to borrow, and BlackRock expanding into digital finance. Plus, PayPal's stablecoin gets the green light from the SEC, Ledger users are being hit by a slick scam, and DeFi Hacks this month drained almost $100 million. Let's get into today's top stories. We begin with a developing story. It's reported that Ripple made a bold offer between $4 and $5 billion to acquire Circle, but Circle turned it down, saying the price was too low. This comes right after Circle filed to go public. Ripple's dealing with its own issues too. It settled with the SEC for $50 million after being found liable in a $125 million case. Remember recently, Ripple snapped up Hidden Road for $1.2 billion. Will Ripple try with Circle again? That part's still unclear. Let's move over to Coinbase's latest push. Users can now borrow up to $1 million using their Bitcoin as collateral. The loan program, which kicked off in January, originally capped out at $100,000. Over 4,200 wallets have already secured loans totaling $227 million. The loans run through Morpho and use Coinbase's wrapped BTC. Users can keep their Bitcoin and still get access to cash as long as they're not in New York. And now, a major shift from one of the biggest asset managers. BlackRock wants to tokenize shares of its $150 billion Treasury Trust Fund, calling them DLT shares. These wouldn't be crypto assets, but they would run on distributed ledger tech and be sold through BNY Mellon. There's a $3 million minimum to invest. CEO Larry Fink says this move could speed up trades and allow for things like fractional ownership and digital voting. Tokenized funds, he says, might soon be as normal as EFTs. I'm going to pause here to give you a moment to subscribe and give us a thumbs up so we know you find these videos valuable. It would really mean a lot, so let us know you're out there watching. Continuing on, from Wall Street to Silicon Valley, PayPal's back in the spotlight. The SEC has dropped its investigation into PayPal's stablecoin pyusd. The probe kicked off last year, but in February, the agency said it was closing the case without any action. pyusd is still trailing behind Tether and Circle with a market cap of $880 million. But PayPal isn't backing down. They're offering a 3.7% reward for holding pyusd and partnering with Coinbase to push it forward. Let's talk about a more concerning story now. Scammers are mailing fake ledger letters complete with the company logo, urging users to scan a QR code and enter the recovery phase. Trader Jacob Canfield first flagged the scam. Ledger quickly warned users they'll never ask for your 24-word phrase. Some think the addresses came from a 2020 database leak, which exposed over 273,000 users. It's another reminder, always be on guard with your crypto security. And finally, the numbers from last month are in. And April was a rough month for DeFi, with 15 hacks totaling $92.5 million in losses. That's more than double March's numbers. The biggest hit came from UPCX, which lost $70 million. Other targets included Kilo X, Loopscale, and ZK Sync. Ethereum and BNB Chain made up 60% of the attacks. On the bright side, Immunify paid out millions in bounties to white hat hackers, helping protect over $190 billion in user funds. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.